I'm very thankful to God to give me everything here. Like since I came, I have nothing, but after 5 years, like most important like things of my life, I was here in Samyuk University. I got the scholarship to study here. Like I can just focus on my studying. And then we didn't have ceremony, like wedding ceremony in Vietnam. So we had ceremony here. And it's really special wedding ceremony at the lake. And then we have baby. And then we got baptized together. Yeah, so, and now I'm graduating. I have a doctor degree and I have a good job. For me, like it's really like a good university for everything. Yeah, during my 5 years. Yeah.